Ready for 10 wild animal facts? Guess each critter before the reveal. Giraffes stretch sky-high necks to snag leaves on tall trees and survive droughts. Dolphins are brainy. They chat in clicks and whistles, even naming friends. Butterflies taste with their feet, testing flowers like tiny chefs before sipping nectar. Cheetahs blast to 70 miles per hour, built for speed, not long-distance chases. Elephants remember paths and faces, living in close family herds led by wise matriarchs. Octopuses change color and texture to hide, flirt, or warn. Camouflage champs. Kangaroos power hop, saving energy while cruising the outback on spring-loaded legs. Penguins huddle in huge colonies, taking turns to keep everyone warm against Antarctic winds. Tigers wear stripes to vanish among tall grasses, perfect ambush camouflage. Honeybees waggle dance, mapping food with zigzags that show direction and distance. Which fact surprised you most? Comment your favorite animal and share for more.